Linux Mint versus TUXEDO OS. Which Linux distro is better? Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience your operating system without the frustration of compatibility issues. Let's explore both options briefly. Linux Mint and TUXEDO OS are both popular Linux distributions, each catering to different user needs. The core difference lies in their design philosophy. Linux Mint focuses on user-friendliness and accessibility, while TUXEDO OS is tailored for performance and customization. Linux Mint is a user-friendly distribution based on Ubuntu. It aims to provide a familiar desktop experience, especially for users transitioning from Windows. Linux Mint features a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for newcomers to navigate. It comes with a variety of pre-installed software, including productivity tools and media players, ensuring that users have everything they need right out of the box. One of its strengths is the extensive community support, offering forums and documentation for troubleshooting. However, some users may find that it lacks the latest software versions compared to more cutting-edge distributions. Ideal users for Linux Mint include beginners and those seeking a stable, reliable operating system for everyday tasks. TUXEDO OS is a performance-oriented Linux distribution designed specifically for TUXEDO computers, but is also available for general use. It is based on Ubuntu and offers a customized KDE Plasma desktop environment, providing a sleek and modern interface. TUXEDO OS is optimized for gaming and resource-intensive applications, making it an excellent choice for gamers and power users. One of its standout features is the TUXEDO Control Center, which allows users to easily manage system settings and hardware configurations. While it excels in performance and customization, users may encounter a steeper learning curve compared to more traditional distributions. TUXEDO OS is ideal for users who want a tailored experience and are comfortable with advanced configurations. When comparing Linux Mint and TUXEDO OS, consider your primary needs. If you prioritize an easy-to-use interface and a smooth transition from Windows, Linux Mint is the better choice. It's perfect for everyday tasks and general use. On the other hand, if you seek high performance for gaming or demanding applications, TUXEDO OS shines with its optimizations and advanced features, while Linux Mint offers a broad software selection and community support. TUXEDO OS provides unique tools for hardware management and customization. Ultimately, the trade-off lies in user experience versus performance capabilities. But users seeking simplicity and ease of use, Linux Mint is the clear recommendation. If performance and customization are your priorities, TUXEDO OS is the ideal choice. Both distributions offer unique advantages, so consider your specific needs before making a decision.